Are you tired of your usual breakfast routine? Looking for a unique and healthy idea to start your day? Look no further than Baked Avocado Egg Boats. These delicious breakfast boats are not only easy to make, but they are also packed full of nutrition and flavor. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, while eggs provide a good dose of protein to keep you full and energized throughout the morning. To make baked avocado egg boats, simply cut an avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out some of the flesh to make room for the egg. Crack an egg into each avocado half, season with salt and pepper, and bake in the oven until the egg is cooked to your liking. You can get creative with toppings like cheese, herbs, or even bacon to make these egg boats your own. Serve them hot and enjoy a nutritious and satisfying breakfast that will surely impress your taste buds. So why not give baked avocado egg boats a try and switch up your morning routine? Your body and taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious recipe ideas.